Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the Analysis Toolpak because that is the only built-in data analysis option. Open File, choose Options, then Add-ins, select Excel Add-ins and click Go. Once there, check Analysis Toolpak and press OK. If Excel prompts for installation, allow it. This registers the Data Analysis command on the Data tab. Make sure to restart Excel if the Data tab doesn't show immediately so the add-in loads correctly. Once the add-in is active, open the Data tab and click Data Analysis to pick your procedure. For example, choose Descriptive Statistics to summarize a column. Select the input range and check labels in first row if you included headers. Then pick an output range or new worksheet ply for clarity. Make sure to check summary statistics so Excel calculates mean, standard deviation, and more. If you want percentiles or confidence levels, adjust the options before running To finish, run advanced tools like regression when you need modeling. Set the Y range, X range, and request residuals or ANOVA output to interpret fit and significance. Once done, convert outputs into charts or pivot tables by copying results and inserting a scatter plot with a trend line or a pivot chart for interactivity. If the data analysis option disappears, check for Excel bitness mismatches, repair or re-add the Analysis Toolpak, and restart Excel. That usually resolves missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.